Life is full of challenges and setbacks, and loss and pain are inevitable. These difficulties are not the end, but part of growth. Are you willing to try to get out of your darkness? Regain inner peace and find the power of rebirth. The principle of impermanence tells us that everything is short-lived, including pain. When we deeply understand impermanence, we can more easily accept loss and know how to start again. Every moment is a new beginning, and every loss is an opportunity to grow, and the light and strength of the heart are found in the loss. When we face loss, as Buddhism says, impermanence is the essence of life. Accepting and holding this mentality, we can let go of our persistence and find real inner peace. The spirit of compassion in Buddhism is a beacon that guides us forward, teaching us how to maintain kindness and care for others in difficulties. This love and compassion will give back to ourselves and make us stronger. The inner power comes from our faith and wisdom. It is mentioned in Buddhist teachings that everyone has a potential Buddha nature. As long as we practice and self-reflection, we can stimulate this inner light. No matter how difficult the road ahead is, we can shine in the dark. Loss is a process that everyone will experience, but Buddhism reminds us of the truth of impermanence. Everything in the world is changeable. Only by accepting this fact can we truly release our inner pain. The compassion of Guanyin Bodhisattva tells us that no matter what kind of predicament we are in, as long as we are compassionate and willing to help others, we can also find comfort from it. This love and compassion can not only heal others, but also heal your own heart. From the wisdom of being safe with fate, this mentality makes us better know how to cherish the present. No matter what difficulties we encounter, we can face them with a calm state of mind. Instead of struggling with the loss of the past, we look to the future and see more possibilities, so that we can find the light in the dark. Light is born from the darkness. When we feel that we have lost everything and fallen into despair, it is the moment of our enlightenment. The mindfulness training in Buddhism can keep our minds clear and not be influenced by negative emotions. Through mindfulness, we can carefully observe our inner changes and find the hidden inner light. With this awareness, we redefined our lives to find new directions and goals. The experience of loss often makes us feel painful, but it is also in these pains that we have learned how to love ourselves and others more deeply. By helping others, we have achieved our own liberation and growth. Every loss is an opportunity to look for light inward, which makes us more determined and powerful in the dark.